thank you for sticking around with me for that one. I hope you enjoyed packing this. I'm just going to go through and have a bit of a look through my eBay store, and I'll just quickly show you what I'm doing, all my listings, how it is that I do it, and yeah, just a bit of behind the scenes and what's available now. I think I'll also do it for my Etsy as well. But here I'm just showing you, all my listings, what I do, how my descriptions, and just kind of a bit of behind the scenes. So please stick with me if you would like to learn how I actually do the back end. It can be a bit boring, I understand that, but yeah, it's always good to know. I never had this when I was first starting out. I've only been doing this now, this side of eBay, for the last, it's only been a month or so now. But I actually started doing it to fund my other business which is the Etsy store. But I'm actually doing a lot better on the eBay store than I am on Etsy at the moment, but that's okay. A bit at a time. I'm not discouraged. Something will eventually happen, I believe that. And I hope that you will stay on this journey with me. And just any questions, leave me a comment below and I will answer them the best I can. Until then, just enjoy the music and watch my screen and watch how I go through eBay. It actually doesn't take that long. I do this a few times a day just to kind of adjust things. If you like this kind of content, just let me know, and I will get back to you and maybe do this again. I hope to see you soon, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, love, and be kind.